Hi, this is Mrs. Clark, and I am going to show you how you can change the questions and answers to a pixel art that is already coded. I coded this gingerbread house to 1, meaning that the answer to every question is 1, and if you type in 1, it will activate the pixels and make the gingerbread house. That means that all the codes are already written. All you have to do is open the code and change the answer. Let me give you an example. You're going to write your own questions. So let's go ahead and write a very simple question 3 times 3. I'm going to answer the question, which is 9. And if I'm coding this with my own questions, I need to change this to 9 rather than having it coded to 1. So here's how I do it. I'm going to open up the formatting window. To do that, click on Format, Conditional Formatting. I can see that when I click on this box, it's already coded, and here's the code. Here's another example. When I click on this box, I can see the green code, light red code. So if I click on the box, I can see the code that already exists. Don't delete it. You want to keep it there. I am going to click on it to open the code, and it is written to equal 1. That's the answer right there. I want it to equal 9, so I'm going to just delete the 1, nothing else, and change it to a 9. Then hit done. Now this box is coded to 9 instead of 1. If you put a 1 in it like before, nothing's going to happen now. But if you put a 9 in it, the code works. Let's do another one. I'm going to click on this box and type another question. 25 divided by 5. It's coded to 1, but the answer is 5. Type your answer in. Now what I need to do is find the code for that box and change it from 1 to 5. You can see that it popped up here on the right. Click on it to open it. Come down here to the code that already exists. All I need to do is look at this last number. Instead of a 1, I'm going to change it to a 5. Then I'm going to hit done. And we can test both of these and see that this one's now coded to 9, and I can see it right there. This one is now coded to 5. Let's do one that has a word for the answer. So the answer to this question would be ponies. And we're going to follow the same steps to change the answer in the code, but with one little difference. First, let's open up the code. And since I'm clicking on this box, the code popped up over here. Open the code, delete that 1, and instead you're going to write your actual answer, which is ponies. Since ponies is a word, you have to put quotation marks around it. You don't have to do that for numbers, but you do have to do it with words. So I'm going to put quotation marks on either side. Done. So you can click on these boxes, write your own questions, and then write your own answers. And then don't be concerned when the pixels disappear because the code is still there. It just wants the 1 to be the answer. So all you need to do is open it and change it to what you want the answer to be. And that is how you can take any existing pixel art and you can change if it's already coded, you can change the questions and you can change the answers to it. So another thing too, if you want to with these boxes, you can change the font size and the font color. This is the fill color, so you can customize as well. So I hope this is helpful. And if you want to get this gingerbread house as well as a whole bunch of other winter designs that are pre-coded, click on the link in the description.